This is the engineering center. Here we've just had a complete teardown of a Ford and a Chevrolet. These are Ford parts, ready for comparison with the similar parts of a Chevrolet. Here they are, the Chevrolet parts. And our comparison is to cover all categories: economy, comfort and convenience, performance, and safety. Let's begin with safety. A big factor in safety is a driver's ability to see. The total of Chevrolet's glass area is this much bigger than a Ford's, 166 square inches. And remember, Ford's glass shortage is not confined to any one spot as we show here, but is distributed throughout all areas. Quite a difference, eh? Another safety factor. How does the steering equipment of the two cars compare as far as quick responsiveness is concerned? Well, Ford uses a steering gear of the worm and roller type. These parts rubbing together fight each other, create extra friction. Chevrolet reduces friction to an absolute minimum with a modern steering gear that turns on these easy rolling ball bearings. Take this example of how friction can tighten up delay turning, and how balls lessen the friction, make turning smoother, quicker. Quick response means safety. And while we're on the matter of safety, you've heard a good deal about padding and seat belts. Padding is great, fine, but only a barrier can give real protection. And Chevrolet offers a big extra barrier called the plenum arch. Chevrolet does, Ford doesn't. Chevrolet safety is built in. Now, what about economy? Our comparison starts with body finishes. We know an owner can scrape the side of his car no matter how careful he is. But to repair a Ford finish is one thing, and to repair a Chevrolet is quite another. Ford has an enamel finish. A retouch job means redoing the whole section, including baking in a large oven. Chevrolet's lacquer finish can be retouched with no baking, no delay, no excessive labor cost. That's economy. Batteries make a good example of what we learned. Chevrolet's battery is warranted a full 36 months. Ford's only 21, which gives Chevrolet owners 15 extra months of economy. In brake linings, Ford uses rivets, and rivets jutting through make half of the lining useless. Chevrolet's brake linings are bonded, and thus Chevrolet's brake lining gives service through its entire thickness. Economy. We compared the V8 engines of the two cars for driving economy, particularly as to stroke and compression ratio. Chevrolet's 10% shorter stroke means Chevrolet pistons travel less distance up and down, and less travel, less wear. Another plus in economy for Chevrolet. Compression means power derived by squeezing, then releasing something that wants to expand. Ford's top compression is 8.4 to 1. Chevrolet's is higher, 9.25 to 1. Chevrolet higher compression squeezes tighter, gets greater power from the same amount of gas. Chevrolet is designed to use less oil, too. Every time a Ford V8 owner changes oil, he buys 5 quarts. A Chevrolet V8 owner needs only 4. The 1 extra quart involves considerable extra expenditure on the part of the Ford owner during the life of his car.